when you play the trap dancehall. When you play the man them, now come on no party, you know. And them a fuck up the music. The man them we a talk about, yo. And them man they only play everything.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, and in this video we are going to discuss that little incident we going on a Boom Sunday last Sunday involving Beenie Man. Alright, and people, Vybz Kartel made a comment on his Instagram story, and people, it kind of sound like a Beenie Man in my talk. So I can say Vybz Kartel, you know, shade or this Beenie Man. But we are going to talk about all of that in this video after this break.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. Now, I kind of want to correct Beenie Man in a little something. Not necessarily correct him, because you know say Beenie Man are the doctor, Beenie Man are the king and everything. But me feel like say, more of a, you know, talk how I feel about that like a situation, about that like a trap dancehall something. You see me? But first, we are going to look at what Beenie Man said in last week's staging of Boom Sunday.
Don't blame we, blame yourself. I want to know, man. When man bring dancehall song come good, don't play. Just don't do I want to area. When man bring dancehall song come good, don't play. When you play the trap dancehall. When you play the man, they may now come on no party, you know. And we were there, when they now play we. The man, they were there, when you play them. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And them a fuck up the music. But that's why you know still. The man them we are talk about, yo. And them man they only play everything.
Alright, so after Beenie Man said that, Zine, dancehall artist, king of the dancehall, dancehall artist Vybz Kartel said this on his Instagram story. Grey-beard old waste men who in the business 30 years and still want in a competition with kids. Quick question, after so many decades, what on a record company there for boss new acts? Where on a club there for promote the genre that paid you? What on a merchandise there? So uno can give youths contract. Uno worthless old dog. Uno worthless old dog, uno. Loud the youth them. People remember Beenie Man have a song, you know, we say, old dog like me have the girl them in a 2s and 3s. Jaja. All uno own biological children them hate uno, cause uno no do nothing for them. Uno are wicked. Now people, it's clear to say that Vybz Kartel is talking about Beenie Man based off of what Vybz Kartel said, because him say old dog. And we know that's something they go. Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel kind of in a one little tussle from one taller time. Anyway, we now go to dwell in a that. Me say a Beenie Man in my talk. Tell me in the comment section where you think say Vybz Kartel attack, because remember Vybz Kartel say all of no own children them hate when you know. Remember say Beenie Man and Disha Ravers did kinda in a little, you know, a little tussle. Them good now, but in the beginning them did in a one little tussle. And I remember say the man say uno worthless old dog like uno, and a Beenie Man in the business 30 years and odd. Him could have never thought bounty killer because bounty killer enough boss, enough youths, boy. Yeah. Anyway, more have to go back to the video, the first video. And more have to talk about, and not really this my fault to talk about. I mean, when the Vybz Kartel comment, yeah. More have to talk about this trap dancehall thing and this dancehall and the whole speech that Beenie Man made. I did a video on it, but I don't feel like say I touch on it enough, so I forward in that video here now to kind of expound on it. Now, Beenie Man, me not gonna say everything what you say wrong, brother. I am not going to say that because boom boom them. It's about time boom boom them and R.I.P. Somebody put them in a place a particular way because boom boom them and then I feed them thing. So if them want to do that, them do that. But you will grow on a boom boom place because I got boom Sunday regular and you will hear one song literally I play for 45 minutes. You see me? Boom boom will play and me no want to single out no particular artist. But me could say I'm Mavado because we all know say, Boom Boom support Mavado good. And Mavado is a great artist. So Boom Boom will play Mavado. Like say him a play one of Mavado big recent hit song. Alright, so say Boom Boom will play Not Perfect. Zine from Mavado. Boom Boom I go play the rhythm first. And Boom Boom I go sing out everything from start to done. So Boom Boom I go that little nice sweet rhythm there. Boom Boom I go DJ Mavado song and that rhythm. Zine till it's from its start till it done. And then probably now Boom Boom I go mix in couple of the other song them because some other song they on the rhythm there too. And then Boom Boom I go back to the Mavado song and play it from start till it done. And when the last line a play, him a go so booms and pull it up back again and pull it up about 10-15 times. So we understand with the extra pull up. You see me? We understand. But look on it from this way. Mavado them a support Boom Boom and people me no want just use. Me just use Mavado as an example. Me not say a Mavado song him a do, but him kinda don't fi do that with Mavado song still. But me just use Mavado song as an example. Zine? So now when Boom Boom a played that song over and over and over and over and over and over again like that, it kind of drawn out and then boom, police them come lock off the dance. When you look, him have a couple more songs to play, he never get to play them, but him play one artist for 45 minutes and the artist don't dead there. Beenie Man, I understand the part that what you say. The part what I don't understand is you attack to Boom Boom. Zine? You talk to Boom Boom and say you there the party and them not play you. First of all, that is a red flag again, Beenie Man, because you're a big superstar. So you should in a no tussling for Boom Boom them a play your song. No, left that for some young youth. I come say, yo, Boom Boom them not play my song, you're a giant. Remember, you are the self-proclaimed king of the dancehall. Beenie Man, remember that's something there. You're a star. So when Rebel Salute, some fest, I go so booms and book you now. Zine, if you go perform. It come like you come on out the thing, my God, because we don't can see around a Boom Boom party for free. Anyway, it's a style of promotion in a dancehall. It kind of iffy. Leave it in the comment section and let me know if I foolish me at all. But here, back to the meat of the matter. You see me? We understand the part that we Beenie Man I say. You and Boom Boom in a something you address that part. But why you have to talk about trap dancehall, this and chicky tat and like you mimic and map the man them thing, brother? First of all, Zine, I've never heard none of them artists here will produce quote-unquote trap dancehall. Producer will produce quote-unquote trap dancehall. Me never hear none of them call it trap dancehall yet. You see me? Me never hear none of them call it trap dancehall. If you hear them call it trap dancehall, send me on my Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy so I can post it. Me never hear them call it trap dancehall. The man them just make music. You see me? And right now, the man them I feel like them artists here a target them brother here we are forward up and I do them thing. Zine, if and again this all come back, it sound like all the vaccine argument, because in the vaccine them are force you to take the vaccine, but them a tell us say if you don't take the vaccine you at risk, you at risk for the people them will take the vaccine already, will make no sense. Now again are the same thing with the trap dancehall artists. See man, them a make them trap dancehall and Who a play it, The man them not force nobody for play trap dancehall. Or I say, yo, this alone them for play, or that alone them for play. By the way, I don't like call it trap dancehall, because I don't know one name so. You see me? So the new school, the new type of dancehall, the man them just met them and them a get play. Zine, the crowd a react to them, the crowd like them. Me personally might not like them 100%. But when Vybz Kartel did a bus back in a 2002, they saw a whole heap of people forward about and bash Vybz Kartel. When Dan Carleon them did forward with them new style, put them little new style computer beat there, a whole heap of people pressure them. When Steve the Genius forward in a 2006, some of them time there, and Steve them forward with the little new sound in a dancehall, people a bash them. So make the youth them do what them a do. Zine, nothing a last favor, you know, only salvation. So if trap dancehall, so if this new type of dancehall, where them a make right now, it not go last. Zine, make the man them do them thing. If it not go last, if it not good, if it's so bad like how I describe it, it not go nowhere. So who not worry about? Uno continue make uno dancehall, brother. Continue make uno traditional dancehall and them thing there. Who not worry about? The dancehall is out there. You take it, or you leave it, or you go somewhere else. You know, say a whole heap of song out there are actually a make that is not necessarily trap dancehall. Whole heap of other song. You see me? Whole heap of me don't want to single out no artist, but me I go single out one upcoming artist right now in another review here. You have this artist when name Prince Curious. Zine? And him have a new song. Shoot. Him have a new song when name Paradise. See me? And it's a young artist. Young artists are forward up and are doing thing. That song you bad. That song you bad like today, tomorrow and next week. Better than Ukraine them war and Russia them war. I mean I play it right now, make you hear.
Love when you move that body for me. Love when you throw your arms around me. Say she want love.
So the point what me I say, Zine, who a make trap dancehall can make trap dancehall, and who a make authentic dancehall can continue making authentic dancehall. Why does it have to have this rival? You see me? Why Beenie Man have to forward on stage at this man them thing? Yeah, you only play the man them we are them man they are F up dancehall. Oh, the man them fear F up dancehall. Me can't understand. Somebody in the comment section explain to me, cause I look like say my head tough. Cause me can't understand. Me can't understand say if dancehall is so great, dancehall and reggae music is so great, Zine, why something will just get popular 2018, 19, 20 forward now? Why that I go mash up a foundation something from where they in the late 80s, 90s? Oh, me not understand. So make the man them do what them a do. You see me? Them have to go learn and figure out their mistake themselves. You see me? Make them do what they are doing. Stop fight the youth them. If you say you want to advise the youth them and say, yo, me here we know how to do this. You see me? But we could do this the other way a little. You see me? We could call up on that track here. Big up Morgan Heritage. Because Morgan Heritage have a song right now out. And he make sure Drafi, Joshi and Ritical. Yes, Joshi and Ritical. And he put them on a track. And that track is actually out here doing good work. Great work. You see me? So, Beenie Man, who you collab with again? Beenie Man, who you boss again? Me no remember, but somebody tell me in the comment section. Me no know. Beenie Man, you see, when you want to talk about certain things, brother, I just your approach. Probably you have a point where you say, me as I say, me personally, me no really dig this new type of dancehall something. Me no really dig it, but I hit a work. I hit me see the young people them I listen to. So who am I to say you're a fool in the shower? Me just a watch and I go on. Do what me I do. You see me? So me never too like that speech there at the end. And I just that me officer. Harry Hype and boom boom them. Brother, if you can, you have a big platform, me can tell a man how to run them platform, just like how them can tell me how to run my platform. But me can advise them and say, brother, try squeezing some other things. You see me? Try get back to basic and see if you can probably squeeze in some other type of song. If it not work, if it not work. And brother, it is normally common courtesy for when an artist forward in your event, you try play out some tracks for them, cause them they support you. So that will be any man I say a facts. Him they support you, even though him not fit there, you know. Cause I'm a big star, but then again, he want to do anything we want to do. So him they support you. Play some of him tracks. Nothing wrong with that. You see me? This money pure thing to play your tracks. It's up to Uno. Boom boom and alright. Uno do what Uno do. As I say, Uno build a platform there. Uno are the selector, Uno are the promoter, Uno build it from scratch. So anything where Uno want to do it on the platform, Uno do it. If it's a thing where the people never like what Uno do, Uno would get so much support every week. You see me? You have Boom Sunday and you have Uptown Monday and them thing there. You would not get so much bookings every week. So obviously, Uno do something good. You see me? But just probably step back and see where Uno can tweak it little and make it better or make it great. But me can't tell you how to run on the platform. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way, any other way, or the wrong way. I'm gone.